How does it feel? Smoother?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hold that bridge. First sound on the guitar. We got it not really strong, just sort of held in place. See, I'm holding the strings. The nut just went flying. And there we are. It really does not sound like a guitar yet. And the neck is not attached. Ah, pieces are falling. The strings are loose. The neck is coming out. The box is coming open.
It's my beard.
And it's your beard.
I think I need to trim it.
I think you need to trim your beard. Look how long it is. It goes all the way down to the floor. Alright, we got our parts. We have fret wire. That has to get in here. We have
My beard is going to
the bridge and the little bone
My beard is going to
saddle for the bridge.
Yeah, we have pickup.
And pick up, although I don't know how that's going to get put in because it's too thick for our neck. And then we
I know,
have,
right? It's so stupid.
and then we have these pins
It
for a
sucks,
strap.
man. It sucks.
Anything further to say?